Welcome guys to the new video and welcome back to the channel Techno Upskill. So today we are going to learn about Umask command in Linux file permission, what it works and how it works and what it does. So first of all, Umask is nothing but it is a command. It is command. Okay. So what it does mean? So Umask short for user file creating mode mask. Umask is used by Unix-based system to set default permissions for newly created files and directories. It does this by masking or subtracting these permissions by using base permissions of file and systems, file and folders. Okay, so what it does mean? You must it give the default value to your files and folders. If you want to change that file permissions, you can change it later on. So let us check how it works. So there are two things in this: default permission and base permission. So one is you must and one is base permission. What it means? So you can get it from your system. So this is my Ubuntu OS. Okay, I can show you uname. See, this is my Linux machine. So look at me clear. So I can run the umask. See, this is the my output. So we got the umask value. Umask it's 002, right? Yes, 002. So what is base permission? You can Google it. Very easy. Base permission of file and folders in Linux. Yeah, see, for files it will be 666 and for directories it will be 1000 by default. So this is default value given by Linux. So you need to remember this. So we got this one also. For files, base permission is 666 and folder base permission is 777. So what is abstract? This is asking abstract, right? So assume I'll create one file 1.txt. So what will be the default file permissions? So you can calculate it like this. So what is our umask? What is your base permission? 666. We are creating file, okay, not folder. So 666. So minus our umask value 002. So what is the output? 6 6 6 minus 2 4. So file 1.txt. This permission is 664. What it means? I can calculate this. R is equal to 4, right is equal to execute is equal to 1. You got this value? So how much? 6 means how much? 4 plus 6 means RW. R plus 6 again R plus W. Next 4. 4 means how much? R. The R. The permission we will give. Let's check we are correct or not. Let's execute this correct one. Hyphen N. So let us check what is the permission we have. See RW. This is the permission we got, correct? So same way we can check for folders. how we can check for folders? Let us see. Folder base permission is what we got from Google. It was 777 and umask is our 002. So I created one folder dir folder 1. So 777 minus 002. What is the result? 7 minus 0 7 7 minus 0 7 7 minus 2 how much 5. So 775. How we can calculate now again? It's the same 7 means 4 plus 2 plus 1 means 1 plus 5 means 4 plus 1 plus x. R and x. This is the permission we want. Let us check, execute it and let us see. mkdir folder ls hyphen l. The see 775 we got right. RWX, and RX. So one more question now. Can we change the umask value? Yes, we can. Umask. Now it is 0, 0, 0. So we'll just do 0. Okay. So with the umask value 0, double. So let us check umask value 0. File base permission is how much? What is that? 666. Right? So you can again do same 666 minus 022. What is the output? 644, right? 644. So file two if I create permission will be 644 means what? 4 4 RW and then 4 means R again R. Let us check. Just type the base. Let me check file 2 because one we already create ls hyphen l file 2 this is the file 2 RR see correct. We executed perfectly. So we have changed the UMAS now to 022, right? So same way you can try for folder folder permission using 022 UMAS value and comment the result. Will appreciate you guys. Yes, thank you for joining and connecting. If you learn something or if you have any feedback, please comment me down. Thank you so much again. Please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye bye. See you in the next video.